Rubik's Cube. A Rubik's Cube is a 3D combination puzzle invented in 1974 by Hungarian sculptor and professor of architecture and Rubik, and was originally called the Magic Cube. How to solve a Rubik's Cube? First step. Make a cross. Start by holding the cube with both hands with the white face on top. Move the edge piece down to the bottom layer. Rotate the bottom layer to align the piece directly below the place on the white face where you want it. Pick the next white edge piece to place. Second step. F to L. First to layers, or F to L refers to the first to bottom layers of the 3x3 cube. Most pairs have the edge sitting in the U layer having to orientations. It shows R or F color at the side. If it is the R color, you can solve the pair using only RU, and if it is the F color, you can turn the cube Y prime and swivel the pair to the back slot using only RU. Third step. OLL. Orientation of the last layer solves the top color of the last layer. This is the third step. Last step. PLL. Permutation of the last layer. PLL is a collection of Rubik's Cube algorithms that describe sequences of rotations for advancing the cube towards its solved state.